French girl, you can't face me. That you are run down, rock on say. See out when your nose and balance for me. Come in on your belly when I say the cocky. Front tone, I must have a country.
Well, I don't love running from the foreigner, them will never dead. Want to live till me at 100. Me now make no old woman with old army come kill me. Kill off young, fresh, green gully bop. They don't have no money. Them broke like buckle. Yeah. So when you see America people them coming here right now, them broke. Yeah, Corona then come figure. Yeah? So you can't go on. That me I tell you.
Yo, I want to that idiot, yeah. Bob, you really look at iPod for me. I can't believe. I thought you were like, you know, like the I wouldn't say God. I thought you were the Godfather, the God of social media. You really look at hype off me, Bob. No, straight up. Let me tell you something, people. Hold on there, David. Now, you know that just recently the Star interviewed me, right? So they asked me who was NEKO, and I told them that it's Gully Bop. But the truth is, NEKO is not Bop, and Bop really believed that it's him, and I mean, the motherfucker should have gone into the studio and at least respond. You get what I mean? At least, pussy hole, you would have had to come back. You think I'm stupid? I'm not stupid. If somebody asks me who is NEKO, the first person I'm gonna say is Gully Bop, because you want the thing to be trending. So motherfucker, I don't just end up with my fans, I end up with your fans too, that you left without a leader. You get what I'm saying? So motherfucker, when I did the arithmetic, I figured out people are gonna say AMARI, and then we're gonna bring back the old Gully Bop fame, and then I'm gonna collect that shit, you motherfucker. You really think AMARI wants you? Look at your fucking mouth. Look at how you look. Look at my good up body. You really think I would sleep with a dog shit like you, Bop? No. In case my interviewers and everybody don't know, I'm the greatest actress on the fucking face of the earth. I can love you if I want to. I can tell myself that I'm in love with you. But do you really think that I want you, Gully Bop? What fucking NEKO? I was planning to make you my NEKO for at least 6 weeks. And then when that motherfucking hype run out, I jump on another NEKO. And jump on another NEKO. And jump on another NEKO. That's how the fucking show goes. You dog shit. So you really think that AMARI would now be on another level and want you back to do what with your Bop? Bop, tell me something. Number one, you don't really know how to lick a clit good. Motherfucker be having his tongue all over a plaka. That's not how you lick a clit. So what the fuck am I doing with you, dog shit? Another thing, you have your mouth all up in it. All fucking over it. Spit. And on top of it, you don't brush your teeth. Dog shit, you don't know that you supposed to brush your fucking teeth before you lick a clit? Don't come at me, Bob, because I will shame you, motherfucker. I will shame you. Because the reason that you lost your career is because you suck Uzi too much. God don't like that. God don't like that. You bow. And no DJ is supposed to bow. You're a Uzi sucker, Bob. And that's why you lost your gift. You can't come with lyrics. Let's go at it. One time you say I'm looking at hype off you. You understand? You looking at hype off me, and you looking a bite off me also. Cause motherfucker, you can't find nobody like me. You understand? You'll never have somebody like me. Cause you dog shit. People like you, I just chew up like tobacco and spit out. Bob, have I ever up your ick? I would not, cause you nasty. You don't bathe, Bob. You never take a shower. You don't like water. Turn that off, Trevor. You scared of motherfucking water. Whether it's hot or cold, Trevor, you run from water. So dog shit, you over by YouTube talking all kind of things. And because you see that I'm jungling all my good up people following me, you gonna be telling my people about be careful of me. Because I have the corona, you had corona before corona even come in. Because I couldn't even sleep beside you, I had to cover my fucking nose because your mouth so fucking stink. So who you talking about? Number one, Bob, you can't afford a hotel. You understand? You can't afford that good up life. When I first came to Jamaica, you be itching up in my hotel because you had nowhere to sleep. You just sleep amongst the birds and the bees, motherfucker, and telling everybody how you big on social media and how you're gully bop. You're gully bummer cloth flop, you suck pussy whore. Don't be talking to me. I don't like you. I never liked you. I planned this whole shit. So I write on your fucking name. And then your name didn't have no fucking use no more. You understand? And I struggled to make it to the top. And now I'm almost there, dog shit. And do I need you? No, I don't. I don't need you. You dumb motherfucker. You really go look in the fucking mirror. You really think that Venice Fung Chung AMARI is madly in love with you? You motherfucking crazy. You must not see the type of men I talk to. None of them look like you. Motherfucker, go fix your teeth. Look at my white fucking teeth. You think I would have teeth like this and lay down with you? Motherfucker, when you were around and they say that I was your woman, only God knows. When you were talking on stage, I had to stop my fucking breath because I couldn't stand the smell of your mouth. You understand? And when you lay down with me at night, I had to turn my back. And when you touch me, I scorn you so much. And then, do you know what it's like coming on social media and telling people that you make my body tingle? Motherfucker, the truth is when you touch my body, it felt like a lizard ran on me. So stop making this shit go to your head. A girl just got to make some dough, and I'm going to make the dough to feed the poor, but gully bop. Get this shit straight. I don't want you dog shit. When you use your toilet, I never see you fucking use toilet paper. You don't know what is toilet paper. You still use banana trash. You motherfucking broke ass bitch. You ain't talking to me. Look at your mouth, dude. Look at your mouth. You ain't talking to me. Look at your body. Body. You don't even have that. By the time the clothes take off of you, you look like Needle. What the fuck am I doing with a man who look like Needle? All I need to do is to fucking thread you up and put you up before the galaxy. I gotta put you up there with me because I need for people to do the comparison and see that you ain't nothing. You nada. You nada. Revenge is mine, say Mona Lisa. Yes, revenge is mine, dog shit. Kiss my ass and stop calling out my name. Call you looking fame. Remember when you used to say, I'm calling up your name for fame? How about it? The tables are turned. And Gully Bop just cannot make it unless he has something to say about AMARI. And the truth is, AMARI don't want you or any motherfucker in Jamaica because all I need is my reality show. It's just a narrative. And then what? I take the plane and tell you dirty, stinking motherfucking men, not all men, the motherfuckers that be up in my camera, that I don't need you. So fuck you. NEKO, mash up my life. After you can't mash up my life, mash up what? You know, see me look like a girl where could be enough man wife. Mash up what life? NEKO, me mash up your life. Move your blood clot. Because you can't get over me. Because my pussy sting you. You understand? And you turn damn blasted fool. I don't know what to do with yourself. Like I say, you only come on the veranda because you couldn't handle it. And all you did come in a paradise. Rasta like you would have heart attack, and nothing no sweet like this a pum pum. You understand? You used to them old trashy pum pum, them old brought down bitches. That's what you used to. You not used to nice, sexy girls with ambition and with dough. Broke ass motherfucker, come talk to me now. I can buy you. I can buy your mother, your father, your sister, and your brother, cause I'm rich, bitch. How about it? Kiss my ass. Fuck you, bitch.